factor 3 of 306. So 306, it can be written as 2 times 153. So 2 times 153 is equal to 306. So 153, it can be written as 3 times 51. 3 times 51 means 153. Now 51, it can be written as 3 times 17. 3 times 17 means 51. So now we select our prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 3 and 17. So we can write 306 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 3 times 3 times 17. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.